Welcome back to day 26 of learning Python. In this video, we are going to learn about Lambda function. Create a file. Okay. Let's now talk about Lambda function in Python. They are very useful functions. They are one-liner function. Whenever we want to define simple function, we use Lambda functions. Let's see them in action. So Lambda functions are anonymous inline functions. Let us say I want to define very simple function that will add two numbers or simply raise x to the power of x. So, and in this case, what I will do is I will mention square is equal to, again, square is a result keyword in Python, just like return, for, if, else, like that, equal to lambda is lam and bda, not lambda, and it will take the value of x, then returns as a x into x. Okay, so we can always print. Okay, before that you can see that lambda, the function will take value of x and returns as a x into x, and we can print this square, mention square of, maybe we'll use 3. Let's try to run. You can see that the 9 is printed, 3 into 3. Okay, so that's how we can actually define our function in one line. This function is very simple one. We can define it in single line as easy as that. And we can always print the value of square. This is how lambda function works. And I can also have the lambda function which have two values. So I can have something like, maybe let's call function for sum, maybe. Yeah, I'll mention sum equal to lambda. We have two values x comma y, then we want to return it as a x plus y. Okay, so if I want to print this one again, I will use print and sum. This time I have to give two numbers, that is randomly I will give 3 comma 62. If I try to run, 9 from here and 65 from here, the sum value is printed. Okay, 65 is printed. But now the question arises is, what exactly lambda functions are used for? Why do we have in Python? Sometimes we want to create a one-liner function, or we want to pass function to a function. Now, I don't want to blow your mind here, but again, we can write a function in a single line of code. So this is as good as writing, I can say that. Like, I'll create a multi-line comment here. As good as writing. We saw that defining function early in the earlier videos, x, defining x here and returning as return x into x. Okay, let me close the multi-line comment here. So this whole one line code is earlier written in two line of code. Now it is minimized to one line. That's the use of Python. If I will take here also, this is as good as writing def x and y values and returning as x plus y. So that's about it. This is a shortcut method and this is a long version. Lambda functions are simply convenient functions. We'll use the lambda function in our future videos and you'll see them in action. Yeah, that's about lambda functions. I hope you are enjoying these videos. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in next video.